Kelly, your life insurance agent. And today we're going to talk about final expense, what it is, who it's for, how it works, and how to get it started. So let's jump right in. Number one. So final expense is also sometimes called burial insurance or funeral insurance. And really, final expense is just a whole life insurance policy that has lower coverage amounts, typically ranging from $2,000 to $50,000 in coverage. And these policies are really intended just to help with funeral expenses and end of the life expenses that somebody may have, whereas a regular whole life insurance policy usually helps with income replacement when the policyholder has died. So why would somebody want a final expense policy? Well, typically, if folks are on a limited budget or a fixed income, they prefer these type of policies because they can ensure that their family and loved ones will be able to cover their funeral costs or some other expenses that may come up. So number two, final expense policies are generally intended for older adults, as we said, that are wanting to make those end-of-life arrangements. And typically the policies are written for people between the ages of 50 and 85. Now, there are some insurance companies that will write a policy on people as young as 40 years old. Final expense also offers permanent coverage that's never going to expire as long as the premiums are paid. And along with that permanent coverage, the premiums never increase and the coverage is never going to decrease. So, as I said, as long as the premiums are being paid and the policy is valid, your premiums aren't going to go up and the coverage amount is not going to go down. And number four, living benefits such as cash value and an accelerated death benefit are some other features that final expense has. Now, cash value is a portion of the policy that does earn interest, and it can be borrowed from or withdrawn from after a certain period of time. And usually this is done if there is an emergency. Whereas an accelerated death benefit is while the policyholder is still living, you're able to access a portion of the death benefit. And typically this does occur when the policyholder has been diagnosed with a terminal illness and has 12 months or less to live. And number five is final expense is a type of simplified issue whole life insurance. So there are no medical exams required, although the insurance company is going to ask you some questions about your medical history and your prescription drug history. So you won't be stuck with any needles and you're not going to have to go to the bathroom. But as with any other life insurance, the application is always going to start with your age, your gender, your smoking status, the coverage amount, and your zip code, meaning the state that you live in. So let's recap real quick. Final expense is a type of whole life insurance with lower coverage amount, anywhere from $2,000 to $50,000, and usually it's used to cover funeral and burial costs. Number two, policies are issued to people between the ages of 50 and 85. Number three, it offers permanent coverage that never expires, premiums never go up, and the coverage amount never goes down. Number four, living benefits such as cash value that can be borrowed from, and an accelerated death benefit where the policyholder, if they're terminally ill, can access a portion of the death claim while they are still living. And number five, no medical exam, but you will be asked about your medical history and your prescription drug history. So there we have it in a nutshell. I hope that kind of explains or better clarifies exactly how final expense is a little different than a regular life insurance policy. And if you have any questions about today's topic or any other life insurance questions, just let me know down in the comments. And if you want to continue to get little tidbits about life insurance, please hit the subscribe and notification icon. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.